Okay, Chris, so if you want to tell me first of all, just how and when did you injure your back?
Yes, I was flying abroad, long flight, 12 hours, cramped up in the seat. My back started to hurt pretty badly by the time we landed, and when we got to a destination, it was pretty painful. I woke up the following morning and it was absolutely excruciating. So then I got taken to the local hospital, who managed to get me an MRI scan, and it turned out that I had a herniated disc at the bottom of my spine. I think it's L5S1. Yeah, extremely painful.
Okay, and what were your symptoms?
I had extreme pain at the lower centre back, running right the way down to the bottom of my foot, right through the back of my leg and thigh, back of the knee, heel, right down to my toes. Extreme pain.
Okay, and you said you were abroad when this happened. So when you got home, how's the pain then affected your life and your job?
Yeah, impossible to carry on normally with my job. Life's been pretty hard for me and others around me, having to look after me and what have you. I've been unable to do anything really. Couldn't sit or stand for any long periods of time. Yeah, been pretty bad.
Okay, and what treatment have you had since you've been back to the UK?
I initially saw the GP, my GP, who put me on medication. He referred me to physio, which I went for the appointment. He took one look at me and he didn't really want to touch me at the time, and referred me to a pain specialist from there, yeah.
Okay, and how did you hear about the IDD therapy?
Yeah, I'd done a lot of research on Google, found IDD Therapy, and looked for my nearest location, which turned out to be the Totalcare Clinic in Botley. So I've come here and had the treatment.
Okay, and what improvements have you felt or seen since you've started the treatment?
Yeah, I've just completed my 7th treatment and I can now sit comfortably, walk comfortably without any pain at all now. It's pretty good.
And you were using a crutch to get around before?
Yeah. When I first came out of hospital, I was using 2 crutches. When I came home from holiday, I was still on 2 crutches. After the first 2 or 3 treatments, I was managed to just get around on 1, and now I don't need any at all.
Okay, so how's your sort of outlook changed now when you think about the future?
Well, when I got back from holiday, I was contemplating having an operation, injections and what have you, and months of disability and not being able to do my job or my activities. And now, after just a few weeks of IDD, yeah, I'm looking forward to getting back to full health.
Okay, and would you recommend the IDD therapy to other people with your condition?
I would, yeah. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend IDD for any spinal problems, and you know, as soon as you've been diagnosed with a spinal problem, go for IDD. Don't wait too long, because the treatment's brilliant. So.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Yeah.